can't breathe, I feel a liquid feeling in my lungs. I'm rapidly struggling, trying to get to the top, frantically losing my mind, losing my fight, silently dying. No more fight, I'm unconscious now, I'm floating on the top of the water. No one understands why I'm here. I'll take you on a journey in my mind to a true part of my lifetime. Yo, yo, yo. Some dude kicked my dad's door in, ran up in the spot, beat the shit out of him, knocked him unconscious, cut him up, taped him up, and my dad laying there on his bed all fucked up, yup. Cut him up and had my pops bleeding. My dad was writing help me on the wall in blood, no bullshit. Now I'm reminiscing how the Philadelphia police department didn't do shit. This motherfucker took my dad to the river, dumped him off, had him there floating for the next day, dog. They hit us up like my dad committed suicide. Fuck all that, yo. He ain't fucking have to die. Some pussy motherfucker named Mike cut him up, throw him in the river and dumped him off. Snapback's gonna catch you, homie, I can't breathe. They got my dad like that, freaking out. That was his worst fear in his life. Yup, I think my father knew how he was gonna die, but no one knew it was gonna be like that. My pops was murdered, real rap, yo. Let me tell you a story how my dad was murdered in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. The cops didn't give a shit, they ruled it a suicide because his long criminal record and his history with drugs. They thought he was a piece of shit, so they swept it under the rug like whatever, kid. They don't care about the real citizens in this world, yo, yo. My father never hurt a fly, he didn't deserve to go out like that, no one does, yo. Imagine you getting cut up, rolled in a blanket and dumped in the river, yup. He couldn't even swim, his worst fear in his life was drowning. My dad died from water in his lungs. You understand why I'm snapping every day? Why I want the world to be peaceful anyway? If you piss me off, I'll cut you the fuck up. I'll put you in the river and I'll duct tape you to a bunch of cinder blocks with a duck. I don't give a fuck, I'm snapback, yup. My dad went out that way, you don't think snapback? Will I fucking blow up into my brain before a motherfucker try to kill me?
Just chill.